Good day to everyone and welcome to the All-in-One YouTube channel. Today I want to explain something to you that many people don't understand. I want to talk about the law of attraction. You know that the law of attraction is always working like the law of gravity. If I drop something, it's going to go down. It's never going to go back up. It's going to go down, and that is the law of gravity, and it is attracted towards the center of the world. Well, the law of attraction is always working like the law of gravity. How does it work? Let's draw a large circle to represent your mind and draw a little circle to represent your body. Now I want you to think of this for a moment. Your body is a molecular structure. This is a mass of energy at a very high speed of vibration. If you look at your body through a microscope, you see that the energy dancing right before your eyes, and here is something that will keep you thinking for the next years. When you move out of your body, does not stop moving. If you go to a funeral parlor and pick up the remains and check it under a microscope, you will see it moving, and if it wasn't moving, how would it ever change to dust? You move into your body and you move out, and it's how you use your mind that's going to dictate the vibration you are in. Now draw an imaginary line right across the circle, and that separates the conscious mind from the subconscious mind. Now the subconscious mind has been programmed when you were a little baby, telling that this is the way it is. You are just like the subconscious mind, wide open, and everything that was going around it went right in, and all the energy that went that when you were a baby from something called a paradigm. Now a paradigm is information. It's a multitude of habit. You are the product of your environment, but tied to that you were the product of a genetic string that goes back for generations. Now I'm going to say that the paradigm is an X-type energy. Now you got the ability here on a conscious level to think, and you can think anything you want to. Think, and as you think, you build ideas that are flowing into your consciousness, and it never stops. It flows to earn through you. You are actually photograph this power leaving you. And do you know, as it flows in you, will start thinking, and you're probably thinking X-type thoughts, that you are going to be an X-type vibration, and this will produce X-type results. Now it's the results you want to change, and to change the result, you are going to have to change what you attract. You see, the thought you control, the vibration that you are in. Vibration is nothing but an idea. It's the law of the universe. Everything vibrates. We live in an ocean of motion, and it's thoughts that you are thinking that you are impressed into your subconscious mind that controls the vibration. The body is saying, and that dictates how you think, but it also takes what you attract. You attract energy that is in harmony with you. You attract people that are in harmony with you. You see, everything operates on frequencies, and that an infinite number of frequencies. But you can operate on the frequencies like a radio station. This is an only music you can track is the music that you tuned into the vibration you are in love with. The paradigm that's been controlling the vibration. You can change your thinking, but that doesn't do anything. You got to change the paradigm. And if you don't change the paradigm, nothing happens. Now talking about the paradigm is another subject. We will do that another time. But it's the thoughts that you are thinking that controls the vibration you are in, and that dictates what you attract. So if you keep attracting what you don't want, understand this. It's the paradigm that's causing this. You can think of a Y-type thought which is totally different than the X-type conditioning. It isn't going to go anywhere, because when you go to get emotionally involved, and this is the emotional mind, when you go to get emotionally involved, what the paradigm will not pick it up. You know why? It's so uncomfortable that stepping out of the box, and we don't like to do things different because it's causes a lot of discomfort. And understand this, the paradigm and the thinking control vibrations you are in, and the vibration is going to dictate what you attract. People that are in poverty consciousness will continue to attract lack of limitation, and it has know with what's going on here. This is your educated mind, and you get all kinds of information. Have you ever wondered why some people have such an educated mind? They have degrees coming right off their business card, but it doesn't show up in their results. Why? It's the paradigm. The law of attraction. You got to change this. You got to change the vibration you are in, and your whole world changes. You know why you start to attract something new, something different, and what you want to do is program in positive information and eliminate the negativity. The law of attraction is tracked according to the vibrations you are in. The thing we live in is a molecular structure. Your body is a mass of energy. You know, if you put your body in front of an infinite camera in a completely dark room, your whole being would be nothing but a list of radiating, gleaming form. Feeling is consciousness to where. It is from the vibration we are in. When we don't feel good, we are in a negative vibration. We want to feel good. Move into a positive vibration. Stop and think of what you are grateful for. Once you understand this, you will love it. You will never attract wealth, happiness, and health until you get the right frequency and positive energy around you. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned something out of it. So if you want any further videos, please leave a comment, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So till we meet again then, have a great day. Thank you so much.